Hello everyone and welcome back to Ladies Fire's Kitchen. Today we have a delicious recipe for you. It's actually an American or Italian American recipe that is very popular in a lot of restaurants, and I never actually order it in the restaurants because I can make it here myself. So delicious, so wonderful. If you like easy, fast, inexpensive, and super delicious, this is the recipe for you, so stick around. Okay, one of the things that I'm going to show you is how to do your seasoning. I did, actually you will see a lot in this one because I'm planning to feed a whole bunch of people. So therefore I doubled the ration here. But it's 1 cup of flour, and then you can use 1 teaspoon of granulated onion, also 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, Italian seasoning, and oregano, or oregano, however you say it. And that is basically what is in here. What I do to make sure that it tastes good, I taste a little bit to ensure that it has that flavor. If you need to satisfy your palate and you want to add a little bit more of any of the ingredients, you're welcome to. Okay guys, this is actually a lot of meat. Like I said, I was going to feed a lot of people, but if you're going to feed about 4, you will need like 4 pieces of the chicken. This is chicken breast, and I seasoned it lightly. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and actually they were pretty thick when I was going to get them. So I went to the meat department and I asked them if they could please make them into cutlets, and I am going to show you how I tenderize these. So are you ready? Because I am ready. We are going to, let's do this. We're gonna put at least 1, 2, 3, don't be stingy with the butter. We're not counting calories today, friends. We're just gonna have some butter in here. I already have it on low so that I don't burn my butter. Here you go. And I am going to add to the butter olive oil, smooth, and I'm going to add 3, okay? 3 tablespoons. Don't put it way too far because you may need a little extra later. So let's mix these two together. So while I have those on low, this is the next step. We are going to start breading our chicken cutlets, okay? So here we have our seasoning or our breading that we already pre-seasoned. See how teeny tiny they are? You are going to just gonna put them here. You're not gonna squeeze anything, and then you're just gonna kind of dust it a little bit so you don't have a lot of flour in it. That's all you need. And I need to do this actually. Need to make sure that that is high, and it's not. So we're just going to put it on medium high. And as soon as it's on medium high, I am going to place my cutlets in. Okay? Okay, so let's dust it off. I already tried it, and it is on medium high, and it is hot now. We're ready for the cutlets. And we're going to keep on adding cutlets until we'll fill this. See how easy it is? This is easier. Dust it off. Alright, so we have at least 4 of them in. We're going to wait at least for 2 minutes or so. We're going to check lightly on the bottom to make sure that it starts getting brown. It's not there yet, so as you can see, we need another minute or so. So, and then after those 2 minutes, then you flip them and another 2 minutes. All right, so see, they're starting to get brown. Golden brown. I'm going to take a little bit more of this because I put these last, so I don't want to turn it yet. And for goodness sake, whatever you do not throw away the goodness. It is right there. All right, so I just turned them, and we're going to wait another 2 minutes on the other side, and then we'll take them out, all right? So you can see the color, see that golden brown, it's beautiful. All right, so we're taking them out. The ones that you believe they're ready, have that color, gorgeous, take them out. And the beautiful thing is because they're so thin, they cook quickly. And we're going to continue to do this until all of our chicken is cooked. Right, so we have our chicken is all of it. Well, probably you're not going to do this much, but chicken is done. I added a little bit of butter. So if you have to fry, like I did a little bit more, you can feel free to add a little bit more olive oil or butter as you think that you may need it. So right now we're going to, on the same place with everything that we already fried here, we are going to add this onion. We're going to caramelize them for about a minute or so. And this is like a medium onion. I would like to add more, but I had that, so that's why I put in there. But if you want more, you can add more. But this is like a medium-sized onion. Adding our mushrooms. I absolutely love mushrooms. And this is actually going to soak up all of that flavor along with the onions. I'm going to tell you in a second what these mushrooms are. You can put less mushrooms, but I adore it. I am going to put as much as I can possibly put in here. And these are actually baby bella, shiitake, and oyster slice. You can put whatever you like. My favorite actually are the shiitake. I love the texture. It is really yummy and chewy. I really like them. So we're going to cook this for another minute or so. Alrighty. So I am going to put a whole cup of marsala cooking wine. Because I have a lot. You can do half if you're making less than me, but I'm going to put a whole cup. And let the alcohol dissipate. So you're going to have to cook that for at least another minute. So I actually reduced the temperature, or actually put the temperature a little bit higher. It was a medium high. I've been cooking everything at a medium high, and right now I just put it on high so that it will the water dissipates or evaporates a little bit faster, so it will get a little bit of thickness. And so about a minute with that. Okay, so we lowered the temperature to medium high. Now it's really going. It's really going. So we're going to add our chicken. Everywhere you can put chicken. And you may be seeing here that I have whipping cream, and I have some, I made last night a little bit of chicken broth, just in case I needed extra moisture or extra liquid. It seems to be doing okay, so I may not be even needing it. We'll see. With all this chicken, probably. So it's thickening, and the reason why it's thickening is because of the flour. I did add a little bit of broth and a little bit of extra butter because I noticed that I had too much chicken, so I have to adjust, you know. And what I'm going to add, and it's going to make the sauce a little bit lighter, but I love the creaminess of whipping cream, and it's actually going to add more liquid here. And I'm planning to do this with mashed potatoes, so I need that liquid. And I'm also planning to do, it's a splash, whatever you feel comfortable with. There's no measurement on it. If you want to put a lot, you put a lot. If you want to put a little bit, put a little bit. But now remember, your sauce is going to be a little bit lighter. It's going to change color because it's white right here. And here you have it, guys. Chicken marsala. I hope you enjoy the recipe as much as I enjoy making it for you and for the people who are going to eat it later on today. Thank you so much for being here with us and for spending this time with me and Lady Fire's Kitchen. If you like the recipe, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And I will be seeing you next Saturday with another delicious recipe. Thank you so much. Love you all and enjoy.